Welcome back to your computer application class 7. In this part of the video, we will continue your topic ethics and safety measures in computing. Let's continue this topic. We will discuss about in this video computer security and the role of parents, that how they can protect their child and their data from outer interference. Especially in these days, we are completely rely on computer for most of our daily work, especially in pandemic time period. Our most of the data is stored in our computer systems, and that data is important to us. It is also crucial that the users take measures to protect and safeguard computer and data, also the program, from loss, damage, and misuse. A computer's security risk is any action that could cause loss of data or damage of computer hardware, software, data, information, or processing capability. An international breach of computer security often involves deliberate act that is against the law. Any illegal activity related to the computer or to the network which makes other to steal your information will comes under the term computer crime. The cybercrime refers to the online or internet based illegal acts. Software used cyber criminals is sometimes called crimeware. There are some safety measures which you need to consider while using computer or internet. They are: you must use antivirus, you must install antivirus to protect your data from unknown resources. Also, virus should not enter in your computer system. Next, use firewall. Now, firewall protect your computer and their data from unauthorized disturbance. Third is unsolicited emails and text messages. You should never open such emails, such messages which comes from non-trusted sources or untrusted sources. You should always open only those emails or those messages whose senders are trustworthy. Never click on any links in email and text messages or to open attachment. Download softwares with caution. Always download program from trusted website. Always use the website which starts with HTTPS, which indicates that that particular website is a trusted website. Next one, close spyware window. If you suspect pop-up windows or advertisement windows may be spyware, close the window. Keep updated. You should always updated regarding the new viruses, and also install latest update for your computer software. Next one, backup regularly. You should always take backup of your data on regular basis. It is intent when your computer become unusable due to virus attack or other viruses, still you will be able to restore your data through the backup recovery, through the backup resources. Whenever we are talking about computer security, role of parents is very important. So let's consider the role of parents. Parents have to play their parental role and protect their children from the virtual world, because virtual world is not as simple or as good as it seems. There are some points which parents need to consider. Parents should advise children to play only those online games which are suitable for their age. Children should always play only those games which are according to their age. Parents should advise children that most social networking sites like Facebook is not suitable up to 11 to 12-year-old child. Parents should be part of their children online life whenever the students or the children are surfing anything on internet. They should always do surfing in the guidance of their parents. Parents should make an environment at home where the child can discuss anything without feeling awkward. Parents should not very strict with the children, so the child can easily discuss their feeling or discuss their idea with their parents in a most comfort manner. Parents should advise children not to share any personal information or financial information to any unknown person. We always heard many cases where children discuss their personal information and financial information with the unknown person on social networking sites, and people always misuse that information. Parents should advise children to create strong passwords. Strong password indicates that they should not set such passwords which are very much predictable. They should set only those passwords which are difficult to crack. Internet has many objectionable materials such as violence and obscene photographs. Parents should always be with their children while they are surfing anything on internet, so they will not consider any inappropriate site. Some parents want to monitor everything that has been entered into a computer to ensure that children are using computer for appropriate purposes. Parents should use keyword monitoring softwares like keylogging to accomplish this task or to check which sites their children is surfing for or what type of data is downloaded in their computer system. Let's not forget that internet is an excellent tool for education, entertainment and communication. But as we discussed that if there is a brighter side, then there is a darker side also. To prevent children from their darker side, it's the parents' responsibility to be protected towards their children, especially when they are dealing with the virtual world. In the next part of the video, we will discuss about footprint. Please go through all these contents, and if you have any doubt, you can ask in your doubt class. Thank you.